guys! Morning! So naka-quarantine pa rin tayo. And today mag-grocery tayo. Tayo dito siya. Dito sa amin may curfew lang until 5 p.m. So ngayon I think mga alauna pa lang ng hapon. So meron pa tayong 4 hours. Okay. Naglalakad. Nakapanibago. Which is good.
Bad breath.
Again, be. And
You have bad breath
speak
though.
louder. Nagro-rondang mga pulis. Ayun. Dito na tayo in front of Al-Salam. What more, babe? There. Ayan na. Nakikita na natin ang Ambassador. And as usual, ang pinakapaborito natin ay ang paghanap ng parking. Yes! Andito na tayo. Later, guys. Bad news. Sa tingin namin ay napakahaba ng pila. So, sa tingin namin ay lilipat kami. Pero tingnan po natin. Oh. Jaran! So, ayan po. Nakapila po kami napakahaba. Akala namin ay wala tao. After the grocery, after 6 daming tao. Saka nakakalungkot kasi hindi na katulad ng dati. Kailan ba tayo ulit babalik sa dati? This is sa Mia ko, oh. Usually mga Arabs dito ang nag-grocery. Comfort food! Nakulang din tayo. Ano pa nga ba? Edi family.
Hello?
Hi!
Hi, how are you? Yes, we'd like to order what Bene?
Family?
Family?
Family ba? How much? What?
Again?
Only the
9, 15 or 21.
9, 15, 20. 9 brother.
9 pieces only.
96,
Yeah.
Ano ba? Spice?
6 piece. Gusto mo? 6 pieces spicy.
6 spicy, 3 regular.
Okay na ba?
Kill part.
Kill part. More kill,
Yeah,
more thigh.
More kill.
Okay ba?
Kill po is yung
Yeah,
meron.
that's all.
Okay, please. Thank you.
Okay.
How much all?
Original 850 din.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you. Di alam mo kung magpa-deliver ka, 12 pieces is 3.9. But you cannot choose.
How much more pagpili ka?
Yeah. Yun lang tayo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. Sabi. Going home na? tayo. So, time check, it's 1:29. So, mabilis lang tayo. Siyempre, ayaw natin mag-stay. Sobrang tagal. Oh, okay, Ben, closing remarks.
Closing remarks until lang di ko rin alam kung saan ko hahanapin yung
So, hindi pa rin po siya maka-move on sa kanya.
Yes, I will never stop until I find this hotdog. Oh, Lulu, in the whole Kuwait, I will go one by one to find the hotdog.
God, nananawagan po ako sa Pilipinas.
Magpadala po kayo dito
Padala
ng
po kayo
maraming
dito.
hotdog.
Pa-import, hindi po, whatever.
Tender juicy hotdog, chicken flavor.
Whatever.
Please lang po, magpadala kayo dito ng 1 metric tons of hotdog.
And,
Basta po.
what?
Basta po.
Okay.
Super puntang baba po.
Kung ilang days na quarantine.
2 months.
Wait. Hanggang OA, hindi pa 2 months. From
March
announcement
12.
nila na
March 12 ang start. So we're like a month already in quarantine. So as you can see, we don't have any more cash to buy any stuff. So dito sa Kuwait kasi we always use our cards. No? Also we have pass. We use pass when we go out during the curfew. So this is exclusive for people who need to go out during those times. You know? Like attending work or whatever. And you have to have any cards, banks, because you never know which one is gonna work in time of need. Okay? And you have to bring your civil ID, driving license, and insurance cards. So there we go.
Sana naintindihan nila yan.
Siyempre, kailangan dito natin dala parati na ating SBC card para pilit mo mga SBC.
Kasi until now, meron na tayo kung paano ay
Para pa dapat po.
5 views. Mga previous videos natin. Diba? So,
We're so proud
sa
of the
5
five.
yun, for sure, may
How
mag-inquire.
much is the bill for the gas? So we have.
So,
have
full tank yan?
Huh?
Full tank lang yan?
Yeah, kasi meron pa naman, I just make sure it's full tank, you know. I just always make sure that my car has full tank of gas because you never know when they will implement the full lockdown, which means we'll not be able to go out. So, for emergency, those gas stations will be closed. So, this is in preparation for such
Bakit nga ba po siya? Sorry.
So it's called TikTok. Cards here in Kuwait. So it's very convenient, you know, because you don't have to put the food, and also baka kasi meron din virus yung mga pins. So it's another what do you call it? Precautionary measures for the COVID-19. So we're going to Ambassador Supermarket here in Salmia, and also the only problem is that store are rarely having parking space, no, because it's a very busy area and a lot of Filipinos going to that shop. you want to go there because that shop mostly cater a lot of Filipino products can only be found here in Kuwait. Marami naman dito mga supermarket, but usually yung mga Filipino products na namimiss namin yung